Hi, fifth graders. We are to our last day of virtual learning for this week in January. Hopefully we can get back into the classroom tomorrow Monday, and pick up where we left, or pick up from this week in person. Just want to say really quick, guys, while you're at home, this stuff is not optional. The Zooms are optional because I don't always know if you're available to get to a computer during those times, but your work is mandatory. You are held accountable for it. You need to make sure that you're getting your assignments done, you're getting things turned in, and if you have questions, you're asking me for help on them. And now, if you have questions and you don't have a way to ask me for help, please reach out to your adult and ask them to message me. I want to be able to help you. I've done lots of one-on-one Zoom calls with students this week. I've done lots of Google Hangouts. We've shared our computer screens. We've worked through problems together. That is what I am here to do to help you with. If there is something not working and you are experiencing a technical difficulty, I don't know unless you tell me. There are different ways I can give you material, so if the way I've given it to you isn't working, let me know and I can send it to you in a different way. Please make sure that you spend today. I've not given you a lot of work today. Make sure you use today and you go through as much as you can and getting caught up that if something you may have fallen behind on during this week. So if you have any questions, don't be afraid to message me, but we are not reviewing this stuff when we get back to class on Monday. We're going to just keep going and we're moving along. All right, guys, good luck, take care, and have a great virtual Friday.